All right, so welcome to my wife's home office nook. If you ask me, it's very serviceable, but she asked me if I could do something about her monitor because since it is on its traditional stand, she wants to have the ability to control the height, the depth, and also, I guess, the movement from left and right. So I thought to myself, this will be a great opportunity to try out this Huanuo HNSS6 Flow Fit monitor mount. I feel it has everything that she's asking for. Number one, cable management. You get full range of motion and moving it is smooth. I know she doesn't want to fight with it, so let's open it up and set it up. Now with the SS6 version, this is going to hold monitors up to 13 to 32 inches and also monitors up to 20 pounds. As far as connectivity, this will hold 75 and 100 VESA mount. Now, in order to install this, it's super simple. We're gonna go ahead and take the desk lamp and connect this to our desk, and we'll connect our monitor arm and our monitor mount directly to our monitor, and then we're all set. So in the box, of course, you will find all the mounts to mount this to your desk. You will find the monitor arm mounts as well, also screws to mount this to your monitor. You'll start with your base, then secure it by screwing it on, then finding a spot on your desk so you can securely mount it. Install the first piece of your arm mount, screw the second half of your arm mount directly to your monitor, and then attach one arm to the other with the monitor on the arm mount. Now to start with, it's not going to have the tension that I want for it yet, so we're going to tighten it. We'll do that by adjusting the tension here. Once I have my desired tension, we'll then work on our cable management. So as you can see, it was very easy to install, and I really think my wife has everything that she asked for. We can move this up, down, back, forward, so it can adjust to her working style. We can go to the right and we can go to the left. Now, one thing that I really appreciate about the Huanuo is that it's very affordable. You're not gonna like break the bank like so many other monitor mounts. Super affordable to get what you need going on right here. I think one last thing, I'm probably gonna test moving this side over there, just so I can have this out of the way visually, because I have the same amount of movement. But the Huanuo with its Flow Fit, it's doing exactly what my wife needed to do, and I'm happy. Well, I'm sure my wife will be happy, so I'm happy. All right, really hope this helped you out. Take care, bye. As always, I'll leave links in the description down below so you can pick up your own. Hey guys, do me a favor, you like this video, leave a like. If you love it, subscribe and ding that notification so you can be notified for future videos as well. I'll see you next one, take care, bye.